Where will Delta fly their newly ordered 787 Dreamliners? With many surprised at Delta's bold move to order a brand new wide-body type, the 787-10 makes sense in the context of expanding their transatlantic and South American fleets, and with the slow retirement of their aging 767s. While there is a relatively large discrepancy in capacity between a 787 and a 767, this can be filled with the increasing travel demand and slightly less frequency on certain routes. Ultimately, the 787 might be the perfect plane for Delta in many situations. There's no doubting the fact that Delta has a diverse fleet makeup. They operate the A350, A330ceo, A330neo, 767, and now the 787. But Delta has always been this way. Their diversity allows their routes to have highly specialized and economical options for each route's distinct needs. The 787 is just one more option in their entire fleet. Delta has already been clear that they intend to focus the 787 on high-capacity transatlantic flights into Europe or flights into South America. The A350 will continue its focus in the Pacific with flights into Asia or Australia and New Zealand. The 787-10 usually has around 250 seats in a three-class layout. For example, British Airways usually has 256 seats in their configurations. As Delta does not offer first class, they will likely seat their configurations with around 285 seats, with a probable focus on a Delta One cabin. Their 787s will likely have a premium focus, especially the ones focused upon Europe, which historically has had higher demand for premium dense cabins. As the industry grows, premium cabins have taken a larger and more significant portion of the revenue stream, especially business class and premium economy. Delta has leaned in heavily to this shifting consumer want, and will certainly emphasize it when designing a 787 layout. Now, let's discuss probable 787 destinations. Europe is an important part of the picture, with larger cities definitely to be targeted. I could see Delta using these aircraft to destinations like London, Paris, Frankfurt, Rome, Vienna, Munich, Madrid, and Lisbon. They will likely share space with their A330neo, which has served a very similar niche. The A330neo may actually fill very similar routes, given that Delta outfits their A330neos with very similar capacity compared to what many airlines configure their 787-10s. That being said, the A330neos have a longer range, which may suggest they will be used on routes far into Europe and the Middle East, while the 787s serve Western Europe. Obviously, a portion of the 787s will likely be based in Atlanta. However, I wonder which secondary hub will be prioritized. My best guess would be either MSP or Detroit. Both already are used heavily as gateways into Europe, and as Delta expands their offering, I could see either operate as a base hub for Delta 787s. I don't think Delta will choose to use the 787 outside of Europe and South America. It makes little sense in the Asian market, as its relatively short range would not reach into Asia from the West Coast. That being said, Delta will likely use them to reach high-capacity destinations in South America from Atlanta or even Austin, as Delta expands aggressively in Texas's capital. Destinations like Rio, Buenos Aires, and Lima will likely be prioritized. Tampa could even see a few Delta 787 flights if they're lucky. Regardless, the 787 will open up new, real possibilities for Delta and increase what was already the most diverse US airline. Which airport do you think will become the operating base for Delta 787s? Please let us know in the comments. Finally, I really do appreciate you watching this video. If this is your first video for my channel, welcome. I publish twice weekly aviation and travel related videos and daily short form videos across my platforms. I've been working on improving the quality and quantity of my content, so if you're on board, consider becoming a channel member. No pressure at all, but if you want to help my video making efforts, I would be very grateful. Anyways, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next.